AI model, patient condition vs health score. Brain explanation of the image. Patient condition vs health score, as DNN network output. AI/ML model by Pradeep K. Suri. Magnifying glass tilted left interpretation as a DNN network output. This chart visually represents the final output layer behavior of a deep neural network, DNN, model that has processed patient test results through multiple hidden layers and is now classifying medical condition, bar color/label. Predicting health index score, line. DNA-DNN pipeline breakdown. DNN layer function. Input layer raw test results of patients A, E, BP, sugar, CT scan, etc. Hidden layers internal decision-making logic, processing severity, trends, anomalies. Output layer predicts. Condition class, bar color/label. Health score %, line marker. Green square chart representation. Purple square bars, DNN classification output. Each bar represents the final classification output of the DNN for a patient. The label and color come from DNN softmax classification head. Color DNN diagnosis, argmax class output. Green circle lime normal. Orange circle orange more tests needed. Red circle red critical. Blue circle cyan discharged. This is equivalent to the output layer neuron with highest activation. Chart increasing white line, DNN regression output. This line shows the health index score, 0 to 100, predicted by the DNN as a regression head. Calculated using health score equals sigma, Wx plus b, \text health score equals \sigma, Wx plus b, health score equals sigma, Wx plus b. Where x equals patient test vector, and sigma equals sigmoid activation. This value allows clinicians to track patient improvement or decline over time. Brain example, DNN logic flow, for patient C. Input vector rightward arrow hidden layer 1, analyzes glucose and BP trends. Rightward arrow hidden layer 2, detects abnormal ECG and low O2. Rightward arrow hidden layer 3, combines findings. Rightward arrow hidden layer 4, matches critical profile. Rightward arrow output layer. Classification neuron rightward arrow critical, max softmax score. Regression neuron rightward arrow health score equals 30%. White heavy checkmark practical use. Enables hospitals to triage patients automatically using AI. Helps doctors visually compare predicted condition vs severity. Supports real-time dashboard integration for ICU/ER. Would you like to enhance this with repeat button historical trend over time? Warning threshold lines, e.g. score 50 equals critical? Outbox tray export to dashboard, Plotly- or HTML. Thank you.